Balneotherapy at home. 7-minute mineral bath routine for glowing skin stress relief. Imagine this. You're constantly battling chronic health issues, fatigue, and stress, and you're desperate for a solution. You've tried medications, but you're open to exploring natural, holistic therapies. Enter Balneotherapy, an ancient practice that's gaining modern recognition for its potential to heal, restore balance, and manage overall health and well-being. But here's where it gets controversial. Some people swear by it, while others remain skeptical. Let's dive in and explore the science and tradition behind balneotherapy and how it can contribute to a healthier, more balanced lifestyle. And this is the part most people miss. Balneotherapy isn't just about soaking in fancy baths. It's about harnessing the power of mineral-rich waters, muds, oils, and natural springs for healing. So let's get started and uncover the secrets of balneotherapy together. You're not alone if you're feeling the weight of chronic health issues, constant fatigue, nagging body aches, and mental stress. These are common struggles that many of us face. Naturally, we don't want to live this way, which is why we seek solutions, sometimes through conventional medicine, and other times by turning to natural, holistic therapies. One such popular approach that's been gaining recognition is balneotherapy. This practice involves the therapeutic use of mineral-rich waters, muds, oils, and natural springs for healing. It's rooted in ancient traditions from cultures around the globe, from mitigating joint pain to reducing stress and enhancing skin health. Balneotherapy offers a wide range of wellness benefits, and it might just be the key to transforming your skin health and overall well-being. So, let's explore the fascinating world of balneotherapy and discover how it can contribute to a healthier, more balanced lifestyle. But first, let's address the elephant in the room. Balneotherapy might sound like a fancy spa treatment, but it's so much more than that. It's a practice that's been around for thousands of years, with roots in ancient cultures like Japan, Hungary, and Turkey. These cultures have long recognized the healing properties of water, combined with minerals like sulfur, magnesium, calcium, and potassium. And guess what? Modern science is starting to back up these ancient beliefs. Studies have shown that balneotherapy can be effective in treating various conditions, from arthritis to muscle pain, skin disorders, and even stress relief. So, what exactly is balneotherapy, and why do people do it? The term balneotherapy comes from the Latin word balneum, which means bath. It's a therapy that involves using one or more organic or natural products, like mineral-rich waters, muds, or oils. The idea is to harness the healing properties of these natural elements to promote health and well-being. But here's where it gets interesting. The specific minerals and techniques used can vary greatly depending on the location and the practitioner. For example, in some places, you might soak in hot springs rich in sulfur, while in others, you might be covered in mineral-rich mud. And this is the part most people miss. The key to balneotherapy's success lies in the unique combination of minerals and techniques used. Now, let's talk about how balneotherapy is done. The treatments can vary greatly depending on the location and the specific type of water or minerals used. But generally, they fall into a few main categories. First, there are mineral baths. This involves soaking in warm or hot mineral water, either in natural springs or specially designed spa tubs. These baths are often rich in therapeutic minerals that can be absorbed through the skin. But here's a question for you. Have you ever wondered why some people swear by soaking in hot springs? It's not just about the warmth, it's about the minerals. Next, there's mud therapy, also known as pelotherapy. This involves the application of mineral-rich mud or clay to the body or specific areas, like joints and muscles. The mud is left on for a period and then rinsed off. But here's where it gets interesting. The mud isn't just a fancy spa treatment. It's believed to draw out toxins and reduce inflammation. Then, there are hydrotherapy techniques. These can include contrast baths, alternating hot and cold, underwater massage, or jet therapy to stimulate circulation and relieve tension. But here's a question for you. Have you ever tried contrast baths? They might sound intense, but they can be incredibly invigorating. Steam and sauna baths are another technique. This involves using natural steam from mineral-infused steam rooms to promote sweating and detoxification. But here's where it gets controversial. Some people argue that saunas can be harmful, while others swear by their detoxifying benefits. Finally, there's inhalation therapy. This involves breathing in steam or vapor from mineral-rich water. It's believed to be helpful for respiratory conditions like asthma or sinus issues. But here's a question for you. Have you ever tried inhalation therapy? It might sound simple, but it can be surprisingly effective. Now, let's talk about the skin health benefits of balneotherapy. You might be surprised to learn that balneotherapy can do wonders for your skin. Here's how. First, it detoxifies the skin. Mineral-rich water can help to flush out impurities, leaving your skin looking and feeling cleaner. But here's a question for you. Have you ever noticed how your skin feels after a long soak in a mineral bath? It's like it's been given a deep clean. Next, it improves skin hydration. Soaking in therapeutic baths helps maintain skin moisture and prevents dryness. But here's where it gets interesting. The minerals in the water can actually help to lock in moisture, keeping your skin hydrated for longer. Balneotherapy may also help manage skin conditions like eczema, psoriasis, and acne. The minerals in the water can help to calm the skin and reduce flare-ups. But here's a question for you. Have you ever tried balneotherapy for a skin condition? It might just be the natural solution you've been looking for. Warm mineral baths can also boost circulation, delivering more oxygen and nutrients to the skin for a healthier appearance. But here's where it gets controversial. Some people argue that hot baths can be drying, while others swear by their circulation-boosting benefits. Some mineral waters can help regulate the skin's natural pH, supporting its barrier function and preventing infections. But here's a question for you. Have you ever thought about your skin's pH balance? It's a crucial factor in maintaining healthy skin. Finally, certain minerals can gently soften and loosen dead skin, promoting a smoother and more radiant complexion. But here's a question for you. Have you ever tried a mineral-based exfoliant? It might just be the key to glowing skin. Now, you might be wondering, can balneotherapy be done at home? The answer is yes, to a certain extent. While natural hot springs or specialized spas offer the most authentic form of balneotherapy, you can create a similar experience at home. How? By adding Epsom salts, Dead Sea salts, baking soda, or essential oils like lavender or eucalyptus to your warm bath water. These ingredients can mimic the mineral content of therapeutic waters. But here's where it gets interesting. The key to effective home balneotherapy is in the details. You'll want to soak for 30 to 45 minutes in a quiet, relaxing environment. This can help improve circulation, reduce inflammation, and relieve tension. But here's a word of caution. While balneotherapy can be done at home, it's important to remember that the therapeutic effect might be milder compared to professional balneotherapy. Home tubs lack naturally occurring minerals and precise temperature control. Moreover, people with health conditions like heart disease or high blood pressure should consult a doctor before trying it regularly. In conclusion, balneotherapy is considered a complementary therapy and can support traditional medical treatments. But here's the million-dollar question. Should it replace conventional medicine? The answer is no, unless advised by a healthcare provider. So what do you think? Is balneotherapy the natural solution you've been looking for? Or is it just a fancy spa treatment? We'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments. And remember, while balneotherapy can offer a range of benefits, it's always important to consult with a healthcare provider before starting any new therapy. Disclaimer: the content provided here is for informational purposes only. This blog is not intended to substitute for medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. Always seek the advice of a qualified healthcare provider for any questions or concerns you may have regarding a medical condition. Reliance does not endorse or recommend any specific tests, physicians, procedures, opinions, or other information mentioned on the blog. Author profile, Preeti Sharma. Preeti Sharma has a master's in electronic media and mass communication and certification in short-term writing from Florida. With close to a decade of experience, she specializes in crafting engaging blogs on beauty, veterinary care, and healthy cooking. Preeti is proficient in video editing tools and produces captivating and informative content across multiple platforms. Balneotherapy for osteoarthritis, a systematic review. Carmela Protano, Mario Fontano. https://pmc.ncvi.nlm.nih.gov/articles/pmc.134981. https://kmc.nlm.nih.gov/articles/pmc27310. Therme Bucharest, NYT's top wellness center with affordable hydrotherapy, more. Water wellness revolution. How Therme Bucharest became a global spa sensation. Imagine stepping into a sanctuary where water becomes your ultimate healing companion. The New York Times just dropped a groundbreaking article that's turning heads in the wellness world. And Romania's Therme Center is stealing the spotlight. The water, the unexpected miracle cure. In a revelatory piece exploring hydrotherapy's transformative potential, the prestigious newspaper unveiled 6 extraordinary wellness destinations that are redefining relaxation and healing. But here's where it gets fascinating. Therme Bucharest isn't just another spa. It's a revolutionary wellness experience. Scientific research reveals water immersion isn't just pleasurable. It's a powerful health intervention. Experts confirm that both hot and cold water therapies can calm your nervous system, reduce inflammatory responses, boost circulation, lower blood pressure, accelerate lymphatic drainage, relax muscle tension, dramatically reduce stress, improve sleep quality and mood. The secret weapon, contrast therapy. Leading metabolic researcher Susanna Soberg highlights a game-changing technique called